So guys, now let's start about the challenge which we discussed in the last video. And our challenge was that we needed to create a new string from this string, as this string contains different phone numbers and all of these phone numbers are separated with a semicolon delimiter. And here we need to create a new string which will contain the last four digits of all of these phone numbers, which should be separated with a comma. So we need to derive this string from this string. So let's start to solve this challenge. So first, let's give a thinking that what are the steps will be involved to solve this challenge. So our first task will be that we need to access the each phone numbers individually, and in a string we cannot do it. So first task, we need to create a list out of these phone numbers with the help of split method, because that's the easy method to access the each phone numbers individually. So let's do that. So let's provide this phone numbers string, provide the split method, and here provide this semicolon delimiter, because as per this delimiter we will create different individual items in a list. So now we have created our list what we wanted. So now we have a list of different phone numbers. Now we can access each phone numbers in a for loop individually. So now our next task is we need to access the last four digits of each phone number. So how can we access the last four digits? With the help of slicing. So there are two ways we can do that. So let me show you an example. So let's say suppose we have this particular string and I want to access the last four digits. So one way is the use only positive indexes. So and this using positive indexes will work in majority of the programming languages, because there are a lot of programming languages which don't support negative indexing. So let me show you this way, and I'll show you the next another way, a shortcut method which will applicable the programming languages which support the negative indexing, like Python is one of them. So let's provide the len s, and if you provide this way, sorry, not this one, so this one, so now we can access the whole string, and if you make one, then we can access the last four digits. If you are having any confusion in that, then please check my video about slicing in Python, then you will have a full clarity on that, and you can find the link in the either in the video description or on the right hand side on the topmost corner. There's a link over there, click it over there also you can find that video about slicing. And the other way is that using a negative list slicing. So now you can see with both of these ways we can access the last four digits. Now let's access the each phone numbers last digit. So let's apply the split method to use this way. So now let's print I. So now we can access the each phone numbers, but now our task is to access only the last four digits. So -4, this one. So now you can see that how easily we can access the last four digits of each phone numbers. But now our task is that to accumulate all of these last four digits. So how we can accumulate? We can apply, or we can create a new list, and we can use the append method. So let's do that. So let's use li.append and use the same thing. So -4 and then this one. Now you will see that in our this li list, or let me use a alpha string I. Yeah. So do you see now this is our li list, and I hope you have a idea how I have used this alpha string. And again, if you do not have any idea of that, then again check that link which I told you, right hand side topmost corner. In that list you can find a video which explain about the f string. Now our task, now when we have this li list ready with us, so our task is now to convert this li list into a string. So again, it's really easy. So first thing, we need to use a join method, and join method takes the first thing, a delimiter first, and then use the join method and then provide a iterable, and here list is our iterable, and now we have created our list. So now you see, with all of these steps, we have created a string from this particular phone numbers string. And in the next challenge, we will solve the whole of this challenge with the help of list comprehension in just one line of code. So thanks guys. If you have learned something new, please keep watching these videos and don't forget to subscribe. That will really huge support for me. So thanks a lot guys. Bye bye.